everyone, welcome to my show Hmong Creations, where I bring Hmong creations to you. I'm Ping. Thank you so much for joining me today. So what I'm going to do today is I just want to show you this very cute bag that I have, okay? I'm just going to spruce it up with some of my Hmong trim that I have. And it's a purple and pink trim, and it's embroidery, so it's very pretty. So again, you have your bag. So what I'm going to start first doing is I'm going to use my little tool here. You can buy this anywhere. I bought this one at Walmart, or you can get it at Joann's as well, or Michael's too, in the sewing machine sewing department. And you just want to undo the threads at the top. So I'm going to undo one side here. So again, I'm just using my tool and just kind of cutting the threads. You can also use scissors if you want. Okay, so once you have that open, okay, so it's just one side that's open, okay, like that. You just take your fabric, okay, and I might make this bag available for purchase on Etsy. So if you guys are interested, feel free to check it out. I probably will post this on Etsy if you guys want. Or these canvas bags, you can get it from, you know, anywhere really. Joann's, I'm sure, and Michael's or Walmart has them available. Okay, so done. Make sure you backstitch. You know, you always want to backstitch because you don't want it to unravel on you. So now that you have that done, then you do the other side along the bottom. Okay, you sew along the bottom. And this is my first video of showing you guys something. So if you guys have any suggestions for, you know, how I can make this video better for you, definitely comment below or message me, okay? So very easy. I wish I could zoom in on how I'm sewing, but I think hopefully you guys can see. And it doesn't take too long at all. I might just keep this bag actually. Just keep this bag. Such a cute bag. It's gonna be such a cute bag. If you guys are looking for trim, there's a page group called Hmong Clothes and Jewelries on Facebook. If you guys want to join that group, they have people who sell trim on there. And if you guys are looking for someone from the United States, I also have a group called Hmong Clothes and Jewelries United States, USA only. Okay, so depending on how much you want to spend, people who sell, sell in the United States obviously is more expensive because they are trying to get, they're making a living too, and they're trying to get profit too. So they buy it and then, they sell it to you. But the plus thing about it is that you get it sooner, and you don't have to, if you don't. Most of the people overseas, they don't know how to write. They don't know how to write. Read English, so if it's helpful to have someone from the United States, sell it to you, okay? And then what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna flip this bag inside out, okay? Here, and you just, I'm gonna sew this way. I would sew down, because if you sew up, then it might not be even down here, and you might have like bunching fabric. So it's better if you sew down this way, okay? So that's why I'm sewing it down. So just a tip. And I'm keeping my thread exactly the same because it's on the inside, so no one will see it. No one's gonna see it, okay? Up here. Make sure you backstitch. trim all this excess here. What I like to do is I like to burn these trims just to get it to stop, you know, raveling. Family members. So now I'm doing the zigzag, okay? Zigzag. Oh. I'm gonna thread it again. Okay. Thread it again. Ooh, excuse me. Okay. There. Your back stitch. Run it. Okay, good. And just cut off any loose threads that you see along the way. Okay, so it looks good. And then the reveal. Ta-da! Ta-da! Isn't that the most adorable thing ever? How quick was that? How quick and easy was that?